Pro-Treat Raw Naturals Freeze-Dried Dog Treats by Stewart. Dogs love them, and you should too. We combine the goodness of whole meat, vegetables, and fruits into healthy, natural treats. Freeze-dried to lock in flavor and preserve nutrients. Sourced and made in the USA. Grain and gluten-free. No wasteful carb fillers. And certainly no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors. Single-source meat protein is allergy-friendly and perfect for rotation diets. Ground bone for natural joint support. Great as a reward or just to say I love you. Flavors include beef, chicken, and turkey. Sold in 4-ounce resealable pouches. Visit StewartPet.com to find where you can buy.